Today we're taking a look at the Oomph. I don't know if that's how you say, but these are their little candy chews. So we're gonna be trying 3 different flavors. You got the orange and cream, you got the vanilla, and you have strawberries and cream. Now the difference between these, there's 0 protein, so kind of not the greatest there, but 0 added sugar, 0 total sugar, 13 grams of fiber, 24 grams of carbs, 45 grams of sodium, 3 grams of total fat, saturated fat 3 grams, iron 1 mg, potassium 203 mg, and yeah, so let's just jump right to it. They're supposed to be, the 70 calories per serving, and you can have 3 pieces per serving. So this is what they look like, kind of remind you of those caramel chews. So they use an all-natural sweetener found in foods like raisins and figs that isn't absorbed into your body. So you can get the satisfaction of flavor without the sugar rush and glucose spike. I would love for someone to do an actual test, like put a glucose machine on and try these and do a test and see if that's, true. So that's what it looks like. Smells like caramel. Definitely chewy. They're good. I don't really taste a strong vanilla at all. Alright, let's try the orange. They're good. They're, if you want to feel that sweet tooth, they're good. And the cool thing is, 3 is a serving. Yeah, for this, 3 is a serving as well. So only 70 calories with 3. Oh, we can definitely smell the orange more in this one. You could slightly taste vanilla, but everyone's different. So maybe you guys leave a comment. If you guys get these, can you taste the vanilla? Like, is it strong? For me, it doesn't seem like it's strong. You can definitely taste the orange. Again, super chewy, like caramel. The solid caramels that you can get. Yeah, you definitely taste the orange more. I'm not sure what my favorite one is. This is the strawberry and cream. I'm guessing this is probably going to be my favorite. It's between the strawberry and the vanilla. Even though the vanilla doesn't have a strong vanilla taste. Yeah, I mean, if they're, maybe someone can leave a comment if you guys know if they're actually really much more healthier than other, chews, other candies, and you get quite a few in each one. So if they actually are, leave a comment, guys. This one has 1 gram of sugar for this one. Let me check this for you guys. This one has 1 gram of sugar. It says 1 or less. So yeah, I mean, they're not going to be that crazy bold flavor like some of these other brands that have like all these dyes. And I mean, I don't think there's, okay, I don't see any dyes in that, like red 40 and that. I don't see any of that stuff in these. I don't see any of that in this. So, and we all know how bad that stuff is. If it's got yellow, blue, red, I forgot if there's any others, dyes, run far away. These do not have it, so yeah, get them in the shop below. In the comment section you can find it. Should appear on the video down in this corner or some corner, but I like them. Obviously, they're not, you know, I'm used to really junk food, to be honest with you guys. So these don't taste as sweet as those, obviously, you know, because they load them up. But, you know, I'm working on getting healthier, so this is definitely something to replace that.